Good morning, students. I am Shilpa teacher. Yesterday we have seen vertical arrangement method for factorization of composite number. Today we are going to discuss about horizontal arrangement or horizontal method of factorization. For that, see example 24. Its factors we have to find by horizontal method. So write this number 24 is equal to, for this method also start with smaller number which is divisible by or which can divide this number. So we will start with 2. Yes, 24 is divisible by 2 because at the unit place 4 is present. So 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. So here we have to write 2 into 12. Now 2 is prime number. Don't think about this 2. Now we will focus on 12. Now after this we will write factors of 12. So as it is, write this 2 as 2 into factors of 12 are 2 into 6. Now in this step we got this 2 and this 2 as a prime number. So now don't think this both. Just now we will focus on 6. Now factors of 6 we have to find. So these two numbers as it is, right? 2 into 2 and factors of 6 are 2 into 3. Now here all the numbers are prime numbers. So our answer is completed. 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Next question is 40. As at the unit place 0 is present, this number is also divisible by 2. So write first 2 into 40 divided by 2 is 20. So write this question here. Now out of these two numbers, 2 is prime. So don't think about that. Only we will focus now on 20. Now we have to find factors of 20. This 2 write as it is. So 20 is also coming in 2's table. So 20 divided by 2, quotient will be 10. This quotient we have to take here now. Now out of these three numbers, 2 and 2 is prime. So don't think about that. Now just focus on 10. Again we have to factorize 10. So this 2 as it is, this 2 as it is, and factors of 10 are 2 into 5. So in this way, in this step, all numbers are prime numbers. So our answer is over and 40 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Next question is 23. As 23 is prime number, it will not come in any other numbers table. So it will be 1 into 23. But out of this 1 and 23, 1 is not a prime, not composite number. So factors of 23 is only 23. Next is 150. 150 is equal to, we have to check in which table it will come, and from smaller number we have to start. Here also in unit place 0 is present. So this number is divisible by 2. So 2 into 150 divided by 2. Quotient is 75. So it will come here. Now 2 is prime number as it is, right? We have to factorize 75. Now here 5 is present. So it is not divisible by 2. We have to go to next number. We have to select 3. Is it coming in 3's table? 7 plus 5, 12. And as 12 is present in 3's table, it is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. We have to take here 3. 75 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Here is 7. 7 minus 6, 1. So this number will become 1, 5, 15. So it will be 25. Now out of these three numbers, 2 and 3 is prime. As it is, write down 2 and 3. 25 is coming in 5's table. 5 into 5. So these are the factors of 75. 150 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Next is 216. Next question is 216. We will start with number 2. At the end, that is at the unit place, 6 is there. So this number is divisible by 2. 216 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. Here just take first digit, it is 2. So 2 ones are 2. Next digit is 1. So 1 is smaller than 2. So we have to add 0 for that, and next number we can take for division. So this total number will become 1, 6, 16. So 2 8s are 16. Quotient is 108. That question we will take here. Out of this 2, 2 is prime as it is, right? 108 factors we have to find now. Again here 8 is present at unit place, so it is divisible by 2. So 2, this as it is, as 108 is divisible by 2, 2 into 108 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, and 2 4s are 8. 54. Quotient is 54 right here. These two numbers write as it is. Now factors of 54 we have to find. Again here 4 is present. So this number is divisible by 2. So it can be written as 2 into 27. Now out of these numbers, 2, 2 and 2 are prime numbers. So find factors of 27 now. At the unit place 7 is present. So this is now not divisible by 2. We have to move to next number. We will check with 3. 2 plus 7, 9. So this number is divisible by 3. This first 3 2's as it is. Now as it is divisible by 3, 3 into 27 divided by 9 is, 27 divided by 3 is 9. So here will be 9. Now up to this all as it is, and 9 is written as 3 into 3. Now all numbers are prime numbers. So 216 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So from practice set 11, first 5 questions I have solved by horizontal method also. Next 5 questions by horizontal method you have to solve as a homework.